Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Okay, I'm going to do a super simple, easy tutorial, just a little bit of stamping, and I'm going to be featuring some of the beautiful colours from Ugly Duckling Gel Polish. And I'm going to be stamping with a plate that hasn't been released yet. It's a sneak peek of one of the next releases from Dixie plates that will be releasing realistically sometime in April. I'm not sure exactly when. Now, the plate that you're going to see, the image that I'm using will be on the final plate, but some of the images that you may or may not see, depending on how much I show, some of them won't be. So this is literally just a sample plate. So only fall in love with the image I'm using because it might not be on the plate, the rest of them. So I'm going to stop talking. I am literally just going to show you the colours. I am going to be finishing off with the Ugly Duckling matte top coat. As I've said bajillions of times before, it is the best matte top coat on the market. I've not come across anything close to it, and I'm not bored with matte nails. And the colours that I'm going to be using are these three here. So Ugly Duckling are really great because they have the see-through lids with the colours on them. So I'm going to be using this beautiful, beautiful bright pink, which is number 31. I'm going to be using their white, which is number 44. And I'm going to be using one of their silver glitters. Now this one is number 41. So it's very straightforward. I'm going to get on with it straight away. Sorry about the out of focus there. Now I have nothing on my nails except a removable peel-off base coat. So I'm going to put some music on and let's get to it.
Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, follow you. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, I'll follow you. Put your lips against mine, boy. 'Cause I have lost
Okay, so all done, and as I said previously, I have finished off with the Ugly Duckling matte top coat. Now, I could have gone over the silver with their regular top coat to make it shiny, but I did want to see what it looks like matte, and it kind of looks, I actually quite like it. Now, the stamping plate, I know that I zoomed in really far, but I sort of thought if I show you the plate and there's an image on it that you really love, and then I have taken that image off for the final plate, it wouldn't be fair to show you. So this image is obviously on there. That's what my thumbs look like. So that is the image, and it's stamped absolutely flawlessly. And I have used Glow Up from Twinkle Tea to stamp with. Now, I do stock these. I am the Australian stockist. I cannot send these out of Australia. So if you are one of my customers and you're in Australia, you can get your hands on that. I'm going to leave it there, guys. I will link everything I used in the description bar below. There won't be a link to the stamping plate, but there will be a link to the website. Everything else will be linked, and thumbs up if you like the video. Any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. And please subscribe if you haven't, guys. There'll also be a little bell where there is the subscription box, and if you click on the bell, you will get notifications in your emails when I upload videos. So I'm going to leave it there. Have a great day, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.